I am really excited today because we're going to my favorite mosque in Istanbul, Camlica Mosque on the Asia side. Now this is our second time that I've been there, so I'm really pumped up about it. It's a beautiful mosque, amazing place, and an amazing drive with amazing views. Now we are fasting, it is Ramadan in this video, so we're gonna break our fast at TAKSIM Square and then make our way over to the mosque. With that said, let's get started. See, Maryam, you have chicken?
Look at this one. Ice cream cake.
Oh, ice cream cake. So good.
They're very good. Mine is very
Sarah, how is your dessert?
Delicious.
Delicious?
Yeah.
You hungry?
No, I'm full.
Sarah makes a list throughout the day. I'm gonna eat this, eat this, eat this. Ends up being like 200 things.
I'm eating a seashell.
We're gonna have seashells?
Seashell is vanilla. It has, you open it, it has food inside. You
Yeah.
put it like food and you eat it.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very good. Good job, baby. Very good. And this is Cedar right here.
And buying him. We're buying him.
Yeah. Yeah, Sarah? Mmm.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله.
Selamun Aleyküm.
Aleykümselam, hoş geldiniz.
Sağ olun. Merhaba, selamun Aleyküm. Selamun Aleyküm.
Aleykümselam ve rahmetullah. Nasılsınız efendim, iyi misiniz?
İyiyim. Teşekkür, sağ ol.
Diyor Ramazan nasıl, iyi mi? Ramazanlar arası.
So good. Türkmence biliyor, Türkçe bilmiyor.
Öyle mi?
İki gün sonra gelirik. 2 gün gelirik TR'ye, Diderin gelir. Olmaz. Diderin gelir, 2 days. No, yeah, it's very pretty. Yeah. Yeah. Olmaz. In any gala. Any coming? Any coming? Any coming? She'll help you. Okay. Tamam. Okay. Sida gel. So those red towers, I'm gonna zoom in, see if you can see it. Those red towers right there are the second bridge in Istanbul. And those blue towers over there is the first bridge in Istanbul. That's the bridge we drove on to cross from Europe to Asia. You can see the traffic piling up right before the bridge. This is 11 o'clock at night, and this place is still busy with people. So the whole lights that you see across is the Europe side, and we're currently on the Asia side. And you can see they're still building more next to the mosque. The trucks, the construction people are still working 24 hours. And you also see a tunnel that's built in below the mountain for easy access to the Europe site. On the other side of the cranes is the Blue Mosque in Hagia Sophia. I know it's a bit tough to see it, but it's on the other side.